model, 69 plate Renault Master Movano MM35 Business plus 2.3 DCI non-runner engine SIEZED one owner VAT inclusive in final price. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 127742. MOT, the 12th of November 2025. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-135 E60. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start and wont turnover, engine has seized so will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, air con. Euro status, Euro 6. HPI,